Lovelace, being a content creator or social media entrepreneur and keeping it up consistently is quite different. Do you want to make money on social media? Do you want to make money with the content that you make every day? You want to make money monthly, daily on those apps or the tasks that you're doing? What you need to do, you need to be consistent. But consistency is not that as easy as we tell you, as we talk to you, as we encourage you. It is one way to say that be consistent, or you to feel like you want to be consistent, and it is another way to really feel you're doing it or you're being consistent. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the 3 easy ways I keep to be consistent, irrespective of me of being on a 9 to 12 hour job. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to this Mind Brain video. This is a video that is for education purposes. It is treated like it is entertainment. It is meant for you to pick what you can, go and research. If you can, you take it up. If you don't, if you feel according to your research you can do it, you just leave it. So as creators, this is 21st century, whereby billions of people, almost 3/4 of the world population, is all on social media. It is all online. It has a smartphone. So that means whatever things are being done, the life has shifted from analog. Now they are shifting to ordering things online, doing things online, making money online, everything. Why? Because this is it, so we cannot change it. For you to be on top of the game, I always do these 3 things. Like, for example, I schedule in time. I schedule before time. What do I mean doing schedule before time? What I do on all my social media platform, and this applies to content creators, because one will say, how do I do it? Because even if, by the way, you're not doing another job, if you're not ahead of the time, you'll end up failing to meet time, because you'll be feeling, okay, I'm going to post at 3, then you want, so anytime you're going to keep on the phone. And this was a problem for me. This one can lead even to your site failure or problems with your site, because you will find if you want to post 5 posts, it must be on your screen like this. And this is the good news. You don't need to do that. Just get one day, spare that one day for scheduling to be ahead of the time. That means everything that you'll be doing will be helping you for future, not for that time, not for that moment. So what all social media platforms, they have that provision for you to schedule your posts. So what I do, I schedule my post. Like for YouTube, I schedule ahead of the time, like 2 days, you find they're in front. So whatever I'm going to do, I'm doing it at ease. Like this video that I do today, or I'm going to schedule like on Friday or Thursday, you find it is for another day, like after 3 days. Same price. You can even schedule for like 7 days. You get 1 to 2 days, you say, no, I want to be ahead of the time. Since now you've decided to take social media entrepreneurship as part of your daily income, you want to turn it into passive income. This is exactly what you need to do. Avoid these things of looking in the camera, then going to edit. After editing, you schedule, you premiere. Again, you'll find it is really hectic, and you'll stress out, and you'll have a burnout, and you'll even feel like you don't like it anymore. From Facebook to YouTube to Instagram to TikTok, you can schedule. As I record this video, there are some posts that are already premiering for me on all social media platforms that I did. Whether you might be having a team or you don't have a team, but you can do this. Scheduling is the first thing that I put on top. Then the second one is batch recording. What do I mean by batch recording? The time I'm going to look into camera, I've prepared that. I have time to record like 5 to 6 videos. So those 5 to 6 videos help me. They help me to be ahead of their time. I record at once, I schedule at once, and I sit, I wait for, I continue. I don't sit by the only that it makes me get relieved of recording, editing, and premiering. That is the second one. The third one, I decided I'm not going to be, like squeezed by what to wear, what to put on, what. No, what I do, I use specific t-shirts. If I don't use single colored t-shirt, I use the one which is branded for Immaculate Show. Guys, let me tell you, people are not looking for how you look, though how you look matters. So you can chip it in once in a while, but me, what I decided to do is to look for single colored t-shirts. I can use black, I can use for Immaculate Show, I can use white. So this one is you what you do, and it also depends on your niche. Like my niche is tutorials for talking, so going to change clothes every time to run up and down, that means it might be hard for you. You find I'm worrying about what I'm going to put on than what I'm going to record. Then the last one, which is most important one, I had to bring it last for you, at least for people who are going to watch up to this end to gain more, is about using AI tools. When we are talking about using AI tools, you go and check in our banks of videos in our playlist on how to make money online. You guys, AI tools have easy work. It is not for the future, it is for now. If you know you're still in the other system of sitting down and drafting your own transcripts, sitting down and drafting your own metadata, you're doing it wrong. It will take you 2 days to transcript, and me, it will take me 5 minutes to transcript 5 videos. So what I did, I decided to take up AI tools like ChatGPT, like Meta AI, Gemini, all these ones, Canva. They have helped me to do a lot of heavy lifting. They do heavy lifting, me, I come and polish it up. 80% it does for me in 5 minutes, like this, for 5 videos, meaning in seconds it has given me. Then the 20% I sit down and do it myself. What are the advantages of using these AI tools? 1, it's time saving. 2, it gives you appropriate updated data. 3, it also optimizes your videos. 4, it reduces you of stress in terms of recording and in terms of editing. The moment you follow what the AI tools have given you, it is easier for you to outline them. It is easier for you, like when you're recording, you're flowing very well. So the more you're accurate in recording, the lesser the time for editing your videos. There will not be a lot of streaming, there will not be a lot of cuts, there will not be a lot of erasing. No, you'll find you can even get the video and post like that. So that's how I've managed to make sure that I beat that word consistency. Consistency matters, though quality matters also. But if you can, at least you can post 3 times in a week. And for you to post 3 times in a week, that is heavy work. So the heavy work, we have our PA, who is a personal assistant that does for us, and this is AI tools. You guys, if you have reached here without subscribing, without liking this video, please let me know what could be your problem. Please let me know also which method do you use among these best practices that I've just given you. See you in another video. Bye bye.